Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, and today's unique recipe is spicy salty matri or shankarpar. This is an exclusively Diwali special recipe, so let's start cooking. Do watch the entire video and also have a look onto the description box below for the ingredients and the process to be followed. Basically, Mathri recipe is very easy and can be made in minutes with very basic and minimum ingredients. So let us note down all the ingredients in details. Here I've taken 2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 by 3 cup of clarified butter, which is ghee, pure desi ghee, 1 cup of Maida, that is plain flour, salt for taste, Ajwain or carom seeds is only 2 to 3 tablespoons, Jeera, that is cumin seeds, around 2 to 3 tablespoons, red chili flakes, which is roughly around 1 tablespoon. You can adjust the spice. Water around 1 cup or more to knead the dough. Please have a look onto the description box for the detailed recipe and the ingredients to be followed. If you do not want to use ghee, you can use oil instead. Give it a good mix and thoroughly knead it well. Please note that the resting period for the dough is very important. Just cover them and let it rest for 15 minutes or so. Greasing the rolling pin board is a very important part of this Mathri recipe. See that you do not miss on this part and grease the rolling pin board thoroughly. As I mentioned, that greasing part is very important because it won't allow the dough to stick onto the surface. Also, it will enhance the taste of the matri. Please note to roll them flat as thin as possible and then prick them. Post you fold them into a triangle shape or any shape of your choice. You can just seal them, only one side of the edges please. Do not fold all the edges, just one single side. Carefully seal only one part of it. Do not fold or seal all the edges. Just one single angle. You need to seal them completely. Very carefully drop the matri into the hot oil. Fry them for only 5 to 10 minutes. When you see a visible change in the color, which is slightly brown in color, that means it is ready to be done. And it might need only 2 more minutes to be fried. When it turns crispy, it is done. To get rid of the excess oil, you can just transfer the matri, the crispy matri, into a paper towel plate or a tissue paper. To keep them fresh and crispy, you can store them in an airtight jar for 2 months. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video today, the spicy and salty matri recipe. Do share this recipe or the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name flouraroma. Also leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. Happy Diwali. Thank you so much.